Hey guys, camcorder here, and we are creek fishing today. So I'll let you know. When I catch anything. Guys, camcorder back. Still in the same general area. Alright, let's go try over here again. I saw a whole bunch of little fish over there, but they must have saw me before. So ooh, got a nibble. There we go. Oh, darn it, lost him. Ooh, got a nibble again. Let's try going upstream. I don't know if you saw that, but a fish just swam right by the bait. Oh man, darn it. Dang it, gotta lost him again. Alright, I'll let you know when I catch the next fish. Alright. Hey guys, camcorder here. I'm creek fishing today, and I just wanted to show you guys. Ooh, almost got one. Almost got one. There we go, there's one. It's a small one, but still pretty cool. Alright, I'll show you when I catch the next fish. Alright. Camcorder here, I got a fish on. Trying to get him over the log here. There we are. There's one. Alright. It's another rainbow. I think that's all I'm going to fish out of this creek is rainbows, but that's good. Well, there's another one. Alright, I'll let you know when I catch another one. Oh man, he swallowed that. Oh well, I'll try getting out. Alright, let you know when I catch again. Alright. Quarterback, I got another one on. Oh man, he's a beauty. Wow. That's the biggest one I've caught. So I'm gonna hurry up and get the hook out so it doesn't die. But that's the best one I've caught in a while. So I'll let you know when I catch it. Another one, alright.